Hey, today we'll be making some snowballs, but it's kind of sunny. But still, we're going to have some fun with snowballs you can use when it's not snowing. Alright, this is my first DIY making things, so let's see how we do it. Alright, so what are you going to need? You are going to need stockings. There's no men's stockings, Saffron. Actually, yes, they're possibly men's stockings. Yeah, okay, men's stock. No. Some form of stocking. You need...
Not men's.
Flour. Any type of flour will do. I'm using plain flour. And scissors. So, let's get crafting. Okay, so what we do is, you need to, that's part of what I did earlier when I was preparing for this. Yeah. So, what we need to do is we need to get down to the end of the stocking and open it up and then get an assistant to pour in some flour. Probably want to look for about a cup. Stop.
Big one.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Actually, this one's bigger. But
And then just tie a knot.
just so no knot will be easy. Not
Tie a knot. Tie it tight. Then cut. Done. And that is a snowball. But of course, you can make heaps of them. So you just start by tying another knot. And then find where it's going. Just repeat again. And then you can do about 3 or 4 snowballs down each leg.
3 snowballs for each leg.
Yep. Tie another knot. Cut. Simple. There we go. That's the snowball. Alright, so now we've got the snowballs made, we just need to throw them at each other. Simple. But because they're flour, you need some darker clothes on. So recommend darker clothes, something I'm not too worried about, and just go have fun. So that's how you have a snowball fight when it's sunny still. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
We didn't get the face. We don't hit the faces. Don't go for the face. Don't go for the face.